Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can hide a pin from your Pinterest feed. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, open the pin which you want to hide. After that, tap on the three dots icon. Now, you can find a hide option. Tap on it and then select a reason why you want to hide this pin. And that's it. This is how you can hide a pin from your Pinterest feed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we'll love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.